go. Hello and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive H. Alright, you ready? Lefties, tilt your paper. Make sure it's tilted. And also hold your pencil within the first three fingers, the thumb, pointer, and index finger, so that you can have more control over your pencil and your letters. Okay? I'm going to keep my paper straight so that you can see what I'm doing. Always remember to slant your letters. Those are my three slant lines that I put down to remind me to slant my letters. Okay, so this is our cursive H. You start at the top line, make the teardrop, and half of a heart. So you see that shape? It's a teardrop and half of a heart. That's the first part of cursive letter H, capital. Then you want to curve another line in almost the opposite way of the heart. Then you want to go from the bottom red line up to the dotted blue line, touch that half of heart and make a loop, and come back and stop at the dotted blue line. Okay? Let's watch that again. You're making the teardrop at the top and the half of a heart. Then you go back up to the blue line and curve that line out in the opposite direction. Then you want to go up from that line, touch the half of a heart at the dotted blue line, make a loop, and then stop it at the dotted blue line. Okay, let's keep going. Teardrop, half of a heart. Go back up to the top, curve that line out, go back up across and touch that half of a heart with that line, that loop, make a loop and stop it, bring it back up to the dotted blue line. I'm going to do it again. Teardrop, half of a heart. Go back up, curve that line. Then go back up to the half of a heart, make a loop right there that touches it, curve it around and stop at the dotted blue line. Teardrop, half of a heart. Curve, make the opposite curve with that line. Go back up to the half of a heart, touch it with, make the loop, and stop it at the dotted half line. Dotted blue line, I mean. Okay, let's do it again. Half of a heart. Opposite curve line. Go up to that half of a heart in the middle where the dotted blue line is, make a loop and stop it right here on the dotted blue line. Last time. If you want to continue to make your H's, just stop the video. Also, you can go back and do it again with me, along with me, as many times as you need to. Okay? Now we're going to go on to the cursive lowercase h's. Those are my three slant lines. Lowercase h starts right here just above the dotted blue line, curve down to the dotted blue line, slant up to the solid blue line, make a loop and close a loop at the dotted blue line, go all the way down at a slant to your red line. And you trace up, start to curve out a little bit before you get to the dotted blue line to make your hump. Then you go back down to the red line and finish off with your tail. That's lowercase cursive H. Let's do it again. Start right above dotted blue line, curve down to the dotted blue line, slant up, make a loop, make it touch the solid blue line, come down and close the loop at the dotted blue line, go all the way down to the red line, trace it up, start to curve out before you get to the dotted blue line, make the hump, and then come back down to the red line and finish off with the tail. Okay, let's keep doing it. All right, right above the dotted blue line, curve down to the dotted blue line, slant up to the solid blue line, make the loop, close the loop at the dotted blue line, go all the way down to the red line, trace back up, start to curve out as you get to the dotted blue line, make the hump, go down to the red line, and finish off with the tail. Start again. Just above the dotted blue line, curve down to the dotted blue line, slant up to the solid blue line, close off your loop at the dotted blue line, keep going past the dotted blue line to the solid red line, trace up, start to curve out before you get to the dotted blue line to make the hump, bring the pencil back down to the red line, curve out to make your tail. Okay, let's do it again. This time, try to do it without me telling you. If you remember. Next one. Next one. All right, you can keep on practicing. The more you practice, the better you will get. All right, so letter H is what we did today. Capital H. And lowercase h. All right, continue to practice, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.